Well, we are getting started to demo the full text version of the lab. As you can see, we'll be using the AdventureWorks database. I ran into some interesting problem while doing this, and interestingly enough, when I tried getting some help from Microsoft MVPs, this guy just reports that yeah, we got problem, but he doesn't talk about how to solve it. So finally, I got that solved by using a Windows domain account and restarting the service. We'll be seeing if we face the same problem again, and I'll try to replicate it and go through the book example. So it's always a good idea to back your database up just in case you want to practice the same lab all over again. So let's add this file group into AdventureWorks. File group is added, and after that we'll be waiting for the hourglass and alright, the hourglass is over. File group created. We just created this AW full text file group, and now we are creating a file. We're actually adding a file into that file group. Now this file group is actually reusable. Then we will be going to the next step, which will be creating a catalog. So once the file and file group is created, we are creating a full text catalog. In that file group, the catalog name is product ftc, and we will execute that. Looks good so far. It completed successfully. Now we'll be creating a full text index, and note that we are turning on change tracking auto. That means we could track anything if anything has changed here. Executing. Done. Now we'll check if there is any product in the table that there's data coming out of that table, so we just indexed it. So let's try to do and see if we find this bike text from here. Yeah, we got a bunch of bike text. So actually so the problem we had here, let me try to mimic it again, that our famous MVPs could not answer. So we are by default, when you're installing the full text engine, unless you have specified local system account or some other account, this is, I have no idea what the password is, so this is how it typically gets in. So that was what was wrong. So when you're installing, you should not be using this service account, because I don't know who knows this password. God knows. Microsoft creates it, and maybe Microsoft knows it. So you should not be using this account when you're doing your full text. That's what screws up. As you can see, I actually had this error message, which now it's green, but this should be the red section. This error message showed up when I had that account. So I just changed that account from that error message to reflect local system account or a domain account. Both of them will work. So now we're able to search it. Let's do a little more searching to have more fun. We'll join. So we're doing an inner join. Well, that looks like a better perfect search. Let's do some more fun search. As you can see, it's all about bikes, and from searching from the description, just like any other tsql statement. Note the differences between a tsql command and how we are searching the full text. Almost same. Alright, some more searching. Alright, this search didn't have any result. I guess it doesn't have a thesaurus. Alright, this one does come up with some thesaurus. Again, so this is all fine and dandy. Right here, this is the thesaurus files will upload in a few seconds. Right here. Perfect, the upload is done. Let's take a look. That same thesaurus result, if we get something extra. Nope, we're not getting anything. Let's see what happens with the bike. Alright, now the thesaurus result is coming up, and now we can stop the list. Let's go and stop the list when I have my mouse back. Come on, Mr. Mouse, come back. Hello, hello, hello. Well, the mouse is back, so we can now stop the list. Done. Alter the stop list procedure language. Done. So for those who are instructors, it's always a good practice if you back it up first and then restore it back again, so that you could practice it in the lab again whenever you need to. So that's it. Thank you for tuning.